Well, Scotland's got a long history and tradition of welcoming people, all immigrants. We're here today to protest about the forced deportation of asylum seekers.
Because most of them run away from persecution, tortures, dictatorship in their own countries.
It's not just about the dawn raids. The dawn raids definitely must stop now. The forced deportations also have to stop. There should be an amnesty for people who have been here for more than a year.
And sometimes when they go into that building, they don't come out the front door again, they go out the back door.
Usually we leave here about 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning to go and pick families up. So hopefully they won't be going to pick anybody up at 5:30, 6 o'clock this morning.
As long as the gates are closed, nobody gets deported today.
The deportation is, I think, very disturbing, and the way in which it's done is very disturbing, and I think we have to stand up for a better society than this.
It's such a bloody joke. Good morning.
Right up, James, you doing that?
They're either security supervisors or drivers for the deportation vans.
Britain is responsible for producing asylum seekers in different parts of the world because they bomb Iraq, Afghanistan, Somalia, Zimbabwe, so many other countries, supported dictators for so many years, for centuries.
The Scottish Executive is telling us, the Scottish Government that set up that big £400 million Parliament told us that we should ignore what's happening here. The barbaric inhumanity, the calculated barbaric inhumanity that's going on here.
They're absolutely sick to the back teeth of seeing families being torn apart.
You know, the Home Office should treat human beings fairly and justly and treat them like human beings.
And this is the second protest of this nature, and there'll be lots more protests until the government finally intervene in Scotland and demand that there's no more dawn raids.